Welcome to RX Auto Reviews. Today we're diving into the return of a true American legend, the 2025 Pontiac GTO. After years of absence, the GTO is back with a modern twist, blending retro muscle car heritage with futuristic styling and high-performance engineering. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 GTO is bold and aggressive, with design cues that pay homage to the classic models. It features a wide, low stance, sculpted hood with dual air intakes, and LED headlights that wrap around a redesigned grille carrying the iconic GTO badge. The rear gets quad exhausts, a sleek diffuser, and signature LED taillights, making it unmistakably a performance machine from every angle. Inside, the new GTO balances retro vibes with modern tech. High-quality materials cover the cabin, with available leather sport seats, aluminum trim, and contrast stitching. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides customizable performance data, while a large central touchscreen runs an intuitive infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a premium sound system. The cockpit is driver-focused, and the rear seats remain surprisingly usable for a two-door coupe. Under the hood, the 2025 Pontiac GTO brings serious power. Depending on the trim, it offers a naturally aspirated V8 or a supercharged variant pushing up to 650 horsepower. Power is sent to the rear wheels through either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission. 0 to 60 comes in just under 3.7 seconds in the top trim, making it a true contender in the modern muscle car world. Pricing for the 2025 GTO starts around $55,000 and can climb to over $80,000 for high-performance packages. That's the 2025 Pontiac GTO, the rebirth of a legend with attitude, power, and modern appeal. Stay tuned and subscribe to RX Auto Reviews for more exciting car content.